If you're looking for ideas, this is not the place to find them. This is a place full of stupidity. I can't even say words right. Dun dun dun!
Hey guys, Thoughtless Mind here, brass. Oh crap. Water. I guess I better there. I cannot speak English today. Je ne parle anglais aujourd'hui. Je suis parle français aujourd'hui. Je ne sais pas pourquoi. I really need to stop speaking français. Or French, or whatever you want to call it. What's up, Zombie Pigman? I only have one piggy. Dang it, hi Bosky. I should make a sign for him. Come here. Okay, so. Dang it. Forgot that happens. Bosky, or plant you again. Totally forgot that happens. Okay. Go. Where am I? Did they just delete out of existence? Hello? Okay. Let's just make another sign. Anyways, guys, remember my Facebook page? I don't have any wood. Wait, do I? Got my cold. That always helps. Oh, sniffles. Okay. I showed you guys my Facebook page. Feel free to totally feel free to welcome. Feel free to join up. If you guys have any ideas of what I can do for videos, just go ahead. I am terribly sorry I've got the sniffles. It's really annoying. Let's go get some wood. Because totally, we don't have enough trees around here. I want to say something. Oh yeah, my friends who do Papa Dragon. Yes, I am friends with people who do Papa Dragon. Shut up. I might be getting a part in it when they restart in summer, because the guy who runs it, I'm not sure if he wants me to say his name, but just recently moved, I think. I don't know. Yeah, I think he did. But I might be getting a part in it. My name's Natasha. Not quite sure when, but I have to talk to them more about it tomorrow. I was talking to Papa Dragon actually today. Turn around. Thank you. Trust me, when you see Papa Dragon in real life, he's basically as weird as you see him in the videos. Trust me, I go to school with him. Get all the wood, make a sign, for free. Go name Bosky. That rhymes. Oh, there's a sign there too. That's where that went. I was wondering where that went. Okay. Bosky. The cactus. Not even sure if it's got cactus right, but oh well, who cares? I don't. Well, I do if it's offensive, but not much you can do about that. I have torches in here, I didn't know that. 1, 2, signs can get stuff. Yeah. So if you guys are still enjoying my videos, just please comment, like, subscribe please. I really would like more subscribers. Be a really big help. crap. Blah. Blah, 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 blah. That's what I say about that. Let's see, are these boys still being idiots? Talking to them over Facebook. Oh god. Okay, boy. Papa Dragon. We're being an idiot anyways. Have you ever had like friends on a group chat? Well, with me, it's my friends. Well, some of them from Papa Dragon. I'm not sure about Steve. I'm not sure if... I'm basically playing Minecraft and I have a friend named Steve. That's weird. We haven't paid attention to our door. Okay, we're good. Let's go find another Bobby. There's Bobby in there's getting very lonely. Oh, yeah, horses like carrots. Ah, crap. Ha! You cannot defeat me, doll. Yeah, Snivels. There's a piggy. Run, piggy. Got a carrot. Piggy, piggy, piggy. What a carrot. Piggy, piggy. Piggy, 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 want a carrot. I like pigs. They're so cute. Like, look at their face. It's so cute. It's so cute. Ah! Come on, Bobby. Number 2. Come here, Bobby number 1. Come on, Bobby. Good, Bobby. Good, good, good. I'll go get some carrots for you guys. Soon you'll be moved to the barn. I think I might do a little extra work on that, after off cam. That's the word I'm looking for. What's this, have carrots? Does have carrots? Yes, he does. Whoa! I'm like delayed down from the video I seen today. Basically, the guy scared him, and 2 seconds later, then he jumped. Make a baby, Bobby. It's funny, my bird's a parrot, so he's saying, what's that? It's so cute. Okay, I think I might be able to start moving in animals soon. No, Chica, I don't want to come here. You can't make me. So, yeah, the Facebook page, just feel welcome to, you know, join, post any ideas, or I'll be posting video. I'll try my best to be posting videos. One of the parents didn't message me. She's still not on Facebook. Are you kidding me? Where is she? She was on an hour ago? Dude! I can't spell. Dude! Correct, autocorrect, thank you! Dude, no, dude. Where are you? I told her I'd message her right after dinner. That was around... when was that? 5:14. It's now 7:19. Totally not crap. Crackers. Food. I like food. Food's good. Hi guys. Really like my skeleton horse. You guys have any names of it? Names for it, just comment below. Much easier that way. I'm missing something. What did, oh, I was gonna go to the garden. Oh, I just saw an idea. But how would I get one? gonna say? I was gonna say, you know, villagers normally just fantasies themselves. But what if I collect all the wheat and stuff, and so like I do this, and then the villager will come along, and that's a poisonous potato. I don't want that. Give it to a zombie. I already did. Won't matter anyway. Oh, I hate the fact that I might be getting sick. What can the biggie see me? Bless him. They can, that's weird. Oh. But then, yeah, that's fine. I think I'll be fine doing this. Ah, crap. Oh, once again, apologize for the sniffles. I think my friend Angela might be getting sick. Why is there a hole there? Can I throw the potato down there? Thank you. Okay. We'll pick some Elianos. Elianos. That's fun to say. Hello kitten, you there? No! Why? Sorry, these videos are really boring. I'm not really good at my job. Should be melon growing there. I guess not. I've got a song stuck now. No, no hungry. Seeds! What 6 seeds now? Seeds. Hey, I got my melons back. What an idiot. Oh, great. Don't tell me I've got the hiccups now. Sorry, my storage up here. Not bad. Voice crack. Empty it in my inventory. Go to bed. Go to bed. Good. Chico's new word, or new sentence now was go to bed. 20, because my stepdad always tells me to go to bed. I haven't been out here in a while. Hi, horse class. Thought how I had this great view of a swamp. That's the point, isn't it? How my little booby's doing? Little booby having fun. I was going to do now. What was I going to do? Oh, goodness gracious. 13 minutes already? This day can't get any worse. Okay, I thought I was going to die. Maybe I'll end the video up at a tree. Just because I'll pull a cat. Try this. Third person. There is a multiplayer? What did I just do? Don't tell me. What, please? No, down. Third person view is what I want. Yeah. Anyways, guys, I'm going to end this episode here. Hope you enjoyed. I'm in a tree because trees are cool. Hopefully I have a barn done, which is over there. Next episode. Try my best. Alright guys, you guys have been amazing.